What if you could track your app's history, edit production code, and manage users, all without ever leaving your app builder? Lovable just unlocked a powerful new set of features. History 2.0 lets you bookmark key versions, restore old changes, and instantly see what changed. No more lost progress or mystery bugs. And with Dev Mode, you can now view and edit your project's full codebase directly inside Lovable. No GitHub hookup, no context switching. Just real control, built in. For power users, code editing is now available too. Turn it on, and you're writing production-grade code right inside the visual editor. And there's more. We're going live with Clerk to show you how to build bulletproof authentication and user management right into your app. Lovable is becoming the only tool you need to build, edit, and launch full-stack software, from zero to scale. Start building smarter at lovable.dev. This is what modern development looks like.